If you're running an online store with WordPress and WooCommerce, the right plugins can save you time and boost sales. Today, we'll explore the top 7 free WordPress plugins every e-commerce store needs to improve customer experience, increase conversions, and manage your store smoothly. Our first plugin is ThemeHunk Wishlist. One of the most useful features you can add to any online store is a wishlist. The ThemeHunk Wishlist plugin makes this simple and effective. It allows your customers to save the products they're interested in, so they don't have to search for them again when they come back. Even if they leave your website, their item stays saved in the wishlist, making it easy to continue shopping later. From a store owner's perspective, this is a huge advantage because wishlists often turn into sales. Customers who save items are more likely to return and purchase them. The plugin also comes with simple yet powerful settings. You can customize everything, from the style of the wishlist button to advanced design changes using custom CSS. You can also control loop settings, page settings, styling, and much more. Overall, this plugin gives customers a smooth way to save favorites and encourages repeat purchases. Our second plugin is ThemeHunk Product Compare. Choosing the right product can sometimes be confusing for customers, especially when your store has many similar items. That's where the ThemeHunk Product Compare plugin comes in. It allows shoppers to select multiple products and place them side by side in a comparison table. This makes it much easier to analyze features, prices, and specifications, helping buyers make a confident decision without having to jump back and forth between product pages. From the store owner's side, the plugin is very flexible. In the dashboard, you'll find plenty of customization options. You can choose exactly which fields appear in the comparison, like price, size, ratings, or other attributes, and you can also reorder them to suit your layout. The design is clean, user-friendly, and fully responsive, meaning it works seamlessly on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. For your customers, this plugin removes confusion and builds trust by making choices simple. For you, it means fewer abandoned carts and more sales, since buyers are more likely to complete their purchase when they can clearly see which product fits their needs best. Our third plugin is ThemeHunk All-in-One Woo Cart. Every online store needs a cart, and the ThemeHunk All-in-One Woo Cart plugin takes this essential feature to the next level. Instead of being just a simple checkout step, this plugin makes the cart a dynamic, always visible part of your website. Customers can instantly see what they've added, adjust quantities, or remove items without having to leave the current page. This smooth experience reduces friction and helps prevent cart abandonment, which is one of the biggest challenges for e-commerce stores. On the admin side, this plugin offers insights that most cart tools don't provide. From the back end, you can see detailed information about the products sitting in users' carts. You'll know how many customers have added a specific product, and you can even access their email ID and username. This data is extremely valuable for remarketing campaigns, abandoned cart follow-ups, or simply understanding what products are catching attention but not converting. It's not just a cart, it's also a smart sales tool. By combining customer convenience with powerful insights, the ThemeHunk All-in-One Woo Cart plugin helps you increase conversions while also giving you better visibility into your store's activity. Our fourth plugin is Advanced Product Search. A smooth shopping experience always starts with a strong search function, and that's exactly what the Advanced Product Search plugin delivers. Instead of making customers scroll through endless categories, this plugin provides a fast and responsive search bar that helps shoppers instantly find what they're looking for. It doesn't just stop at WooCommerce products. It can also search across your site's pages and posts, making it a complete solution for store navigation. For customers, this means less frustration and faster shopping, which ultimately reduces bounce rates and increases sales. On top of that, the plugin is not just useful for users, it's valuable for store owners too. With Google Search Analytics support, you can actually track what customers are searching for and use that data to improve your store's product offerings and marketing strategies. To match your store's branding, the search bar is fully customizable. Using the built-in color manager, you can adjust its appearance to perfectly fit your site's look and feel. In short, The advanced product search plugin makes shopping faster, easier, and more enjoyable for your customers while giving you valuable insights to grow your business. Our fifth plugin is Advanced Shipment Tracking for WooCommerce. One of the most common questions customers ask after placing an order is, "Where's my package?" The Advanced Shipment Tracking for WooCommerce plugin gives them that answer instantly. With this free tool, you can easily add tracking numbers and carrier details directly into order confirmation emails and a customer's My Account page. This means shoppers don't have to contact support. They can track their shipment anytime, right from your store. The plugin supports over 300 global carriers, making it suitable for almost any business. It even allows bulk CSV imports, saving you time when handling large volumes of orders, and you can add multiple tracking numbers if an order is shipped in separate packages. For customers, this builds confidence and trust, as they always know the status of their delivery. For store owners, it reduces customer service inquiries and makes the store look more professional. In short, the Advanced Shipment Tracking plugin is a simple yet powerful way to improve the post-purchase experience, keep customers happy, and encourage them to shop with you again. Our sixth plugin is ThemeHunk Variation Swatches. When you're selling products with multiple options like sizes, colors, or styles, the way you display those variations can make a huge difference. Normally, WooCommerce shows product variations in simple drop-down menus, which can feel boring and sometimes even confusing. The Variation Swatches for WooCommerce plugin changes that by turning those drop-downs into attractive swatches, whether that's color boxes, image thumbnails, or text labels. Take a t-shirt as an example. If it comes in 3 colors and 3 sizes, that's 9 possible combinations. With this plugin, you can even assign different images and prices to each variation, giving shoppers a clear and engaging view of their choices. From the plugin's dashboard, you also have full customization control. You can change tooltips, button styles, attribute shapes, colors, and behaviors to match your store's design. In short, the Variation Swatches plugin is a simple way to upgrade your store's design and deliver a smoother buying experience. Our seventh plugin is WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Handling payments shouldn't be complicated. WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway makes it seamless and secure. This free plugin offers a modern, responsive checkout experience that works perfectly on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. With support for 23 payment methods, including Buy Now, Pay Later options like Klarna and Affirm, digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, plus local methods, it helps reduce cart abandonment and boost conversions fast. Best of all, it's easy to set up. You simply install and connect your Stripe account. It accepts payments in minutes without monthly costs or setup fees. And that's a wrap on the top free WordPress plugins to supercharge your WooCommerce store. These tools can boost sales, improve customer experience, and make store management effortless. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your favorite plugin in the comments below. Thanks for watching.